going on? I hope that you guys enjoyed my Do a Little Something series, and if you did not get a chance to see it, it's on a playlist right here on my channel. Give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. In today's video, I wanted to try my hand at Roti Baigan Choka. Baigan is also known as eggplant in some countries, or aubergine, but in Guyana we call it belange, and I got this recipe from Alicias Pepperpot, and her website encourages me to try more Guyanese recipes because everything is just easy to follow, and I really had a good time preparing this. Granted, my roti probably did not come out great, but it was such a great process and I had fun with it. I've said this on my Instagram before. Please, I don't want the chefs them to come under my video to say, oh my god, the roti isn't around, or you should do this, or you should do that, or why did you do this? I don't want to hear any of that. My channel is a place for me to thrive, and to thrive I need to make mistakes. I need to do many things wrong before I get them right, and I'm open to that. And my channel is really a journey to many things, a journey to my masters, a journey to becoming a better cook, and a journey to weight loss. And maybe roti is not the thing to be eating if I want to lose weight, but you know what? It was very important for me to start off these recipes with something that's Guyanese, and then you know what? I also was inspired to make it a staple on my channel. I really hope that you guys enjoy this video. Here's my try at roti, a not so perfect roti rather, and Baigan Choka. So I am currently editing the video and I'm looking back at what I was adding, and I realized why the roti came out so floury, and I think it's because I did not add enough ghee. So I went back to the recipe and I was supposed to add a half cup of ghee. Oh my god. But anyways, listen, I will go back to editing the video. Actually, let me just show you. Not much of the ghee. Oh my goodness. But listen, this is a part of the process, as I said, right? So anyways, back to the video. So I will leave this here, and that is in the oven. I don't have a bella or a rolling pin. I have every intention of using this to make the roti. We'll see how it goes. Might be a disaster, but it might be good. Oh my goodness! Not bad, girl. My goodness. For our first time? Right. What's going on? So this is how it came out. You know, Baigan Choka is something that I love, that my mom makes very well, and I am not a huge fan of roti, but some things just go together like peanut butter and jelly, you know what I mean? And Baigan Choka and roti is one of those things. I like the baigan. Out of 10, I would probably give it 3.5 to 4. First time for everything. Practice makes perfect. Life for me is not about being the perfect version of myself. Let's take the roti for example. I could have simply said, you know what? Let me practice this roti until I get it perfect. Then I can be like, oh, well, I made the perfect roti, but you know what? I did not want to do that. I want everything to be about the journey and the process and not necessarily the end product. I will make tons of mistakes. I am a very flawed person. But who isn't? I know a lot of people pretend to be perfect and they're the most flawed, but that's a story for another time. A lot of people would have reached out to me and said, oh, they want to start a channel, but they don't know how, or they don't have this camera, or it's always what they don't have. Make do with what you do have. I will show you how I film my videos. I do not have a tripod, so I use my Gorilla Pod. I'm literally here holding this thing up with my foot on the window, on another foot on another chair, but you know what? This is what works for me right now. And I'm not pushing you to do things before you're ready to do them, but I'm just saying if that is the reason why you don't start, then that's not enough of a reason, you know? It's not enough of a reason. And enjoy the journey. What should I try next? I'm thinking about doing pulaury and mango sour, but I'm not sure. Comment below and let me know what you think I should try. And until I see you next time, remember to live a fit 360 lifestyle, healthy body, healthy mind, always. Mwah.